Hello and welcome to Chuck's Bricks. I've been building a variety of brick flowers lately, so let's try out this one. I got this at Five Below. It's a Black Tech Black Bouquet. It's a bird of paradise. 46 pieces, compatible with leading brands. There's other options here, but this is the only one I saw when I was at Five Below, so next time I'm there I have to see if they got any of the different ones. So let's get this box open and let's get started. Okay. Nice colorful flower. So let's see what we got here. We got our instruction manual for the Black Bouquet Bird of Paradise, and we got some bricks, actually plates, not bricks. They're all small items, so they're plates or so on. And there we go. Let's see how this one works. Okay, this is going to be a tall one, because I've had some shorter ones, some taller ones. They've been all different styles. So I'm going to take two of these. Oh, there's a little diagram here to measure. So I need two 9-brick pin connections, and okay, this one that looks like a mini barrel, got cross in there so I can connect those two together. Now I'm going to take two of these pieces and a black Technique pin to connect the two of them together and put them on my stick. Now I'm going to take this one that should only be 6 bricks tall and put that on the top, and then one of these friction swivel things on. Now we got a stem. Now we're going to make some leaves, so we're going to take two of these ball joints, two of these ball sockets, and 2 leaf pieces. So we're going to attach the leaf to the socket, add that to the ball, and then put them in. Let's do that again. There we go. Now I'm going to build this other leaf type thing. So we're going to take our 1x6, attach it. Okay, let's see. They got writing on these. Can't really read it. Something USA Incorporated. Let's look in the back. See what. Must be the brand. Okay. I can't tell what. RMS International. But just like what I was showing you on the makeup blocks, they put the name on there, so now you're going to see that name anytime you look at this plant. So now let's continue on and attach our 2x2, our 1x2. Those looks like 2 different shades of green on there. Okay, so we don't put it on yet. So now we're going to take 4 of these clips and 1x2. So on the 1x2, we're going to put 2 of the clips on, then that will go on first, Then the next, we'll just be putting the one by one with the clips directly on. So now we're going to take this purple stick and all the rest of purple pieces we have in here. So we're going to start with this connection that we bar here. We're going to take this round piece with the in the middle. Then we're going to connect a stud onto it, then our antenna, and then we're going to connect that on first. The next, we're going to take a 2x2 plate with a bar, this 1x4 slope piece. We're going to take a 1x2 and invert it 1x2 slope and a nice orange bracket. So we're going to start, put the 1x2 with a bar on, then we're going to attach the 1x2 brick, then we're going to cap it off with the inverted slope, and on the top we put on the 1x1 with the clip. So we're going to start with that on the last red. Now we're going to do similar, but it's going to be slightly different. We're going to take the 1x2 with the bar on the end. We're going to take a 1x1 tile and the 1x1 rounded slope here with a corner cut out. Put those together, and we're going to attach that to the clip on the last flower, not on the red ones. Then we're going to build that exact same thing again. So build that exact same thing again. Nope, we don't build the exact same thing again. That's a little later on. That's step 12. So let me put this. Okay. Let me finish putting it together and put it aside for step 12. Because I'm on step 10. So step 10 is going to be the white 1x2, the 1x4. We're going to use a yellow tile and the yellow inverted slope and the 1x2. So let's see, they show us start from the inverted slope, put that onto the 1x2, put the 1x2 with the bar on, then we cap those off with the 1x4 slope, and then we take the little tile and we put that on, and then we get to step 11, which we will take the 1x2, attach a 1x2 with a bar. We're going to attach both those to the 1x4 rounded slope, and then put that little 1x1 with the clip on it. We'll attach that on. Then what I made earlier, which is really supposed to be step 12, and then we attach that on. Now we take all that we did here and we connect that on, and there we are. That's our bird of paradise from Block Tech, their block bouquet. It's like does not include vase, so I wonder if the vase Doesn't look like a brick build, so maybe that is something he's got to buy a vase, but let's just add this to a collection of other flowers we've been making. So thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again, please like and subscribe. Help me get up to 50 subscriptions or more.